Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on handling streaming data with AWS Kinesis data analytics using Java. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Kinesis Data Analytics is a service to transform and analyze streaming data with Apache Flink and SQL using serverless technologies. In this course, you will work with live Twitter feeds to process real-time streaming data. First, you will create a developer account on the Twitter platform and generate authentication keys and tokens to access the Twitter streaming API. You will then write code to access these tweets as streaming messages and publish them to Kinesis data streams, which can then be used as a source of streaming data in Kinesis Data Analytics. Next, you will run Kinesis Data Analytics applications using the Apache Flink runtime to process these tweets. You will deploy these applications using the web console as well as the command line. You will set up the right permissions and configure these applications to use cloud monitoring and logging and see how you can use log messages to debug errors in your code. Finally, you will perform a number of different processing operations on streaming tweets. Windowing operations using tumbling and sliding windows. You will apply global windows with count triggers and continuous time triggers. You will implement join operations and create branching pipelines to sync some results to DynamoDB and other results to S3 buckets. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to create and deploy streaming applications which process live streams such as Twitter messages.